this is Lenny Heymann. I'm at UBM TechWeb and here at Cloud Connet, and I'm talking to Lew Tucker, the CTO of Cloud at Cisco. Just got off the stage. A great talk. You mentioned that the web had won in terms of technology. What does that mean for the enterprise?
I think it means actually the web has shown the way. The web's shown how we actually can make very, very large, scalable applications in a new kind of distributed model. And now the enterprise is learning from that. That seems to be very effective, and I think that's why we're seeing, in fact, cloud computing come out of these large web properties and now being adopted by the enterprise. It's a model change that's happened, and that the enterprise is now learning from the web.
Yeah, a little bit of growing pains there. What are sort of the key hurdles? What can Cisco do to sort of help ease the transition?
Well, I think some of the key hurdles is that most of the enterprise apps have not been architected with that model in mind. And so we're looking at alternative ways to actually make it through virtualization and hypervisors. We're making it easier to sometimes put some of those applications, traditional applications, on a virtualized environment, which is a stepping stone in terms of getting them into the cloud.
Yeah, right. And then you also mentioned toward the end something kind of near and dear to my heart, because I'm a general manager of Interop, is that their network's really going under a sort of big transition right now. It's sort of enabled cloud and other things, but now it's almost in a catch-up mode in terms of trying to sort of keep things together in a cloud environment.
I think you're right. We're seeing, so the networking is actually evolved sort of differently within the data center than the internet. So I think that we're seeing in the way that the internet has evolved by interconnecting networks. That has served us very well, and it's a real tribute to the original founders, I think, of the internet. Things have lasted this long. Within now the data center, though, I think we're seeing the web change. And that's because we're having to deal with much, much larger scale, much, much larger networks. And a lot of, we talk about it as east-west traffic, servers to servers that are talking to each other, instead of servers talking out over the internet to an end user.
Yeah, great. Hey, Lew, thank you so much for being here.
Very good. Yeah, nice to catch you. Thank you.